Here is everything that I got in the mail just today. So let's unbox it, show you how much I got it for, show you where I got it, and show you how much it's selling for. First, I need to clear my table off. All right, so first off, I already opened this one. I know what it is and I'm excited. We got these NHL jerseys. These are the salute to service ones, or armed forces from this past season. We got Blue Jackets, we got Red Wings, Avalanche, Kraken, Red Wings, another Red Wings, Kraken. These were $31. Absolutely an insane deal. Shout out to King Chorngus and Bread and Butter. He called all of these out and our members took stock within like 30 minutes. It was an absolutely insane deal because these things are selling anywhere between like $70 and $100 depending on the team. And also if you hold these, like if you look at past years, they sell for crazy amounts of money. Some of these past jerseys I'm seeing for these armed forces practice jerseys going for like $200, $300 depending on the team. So $30 is an absolute steal. By the beginning of next season, these things will be flying at like 70 to 100 a pop minimum. I'm 99% sure that these are going to be jerseys as well, these next 3 boxes, but I could be completely wrong because they're all coming from the same supplier. Yes, these are jerseys as well. However, they are a different one. These are the Hockey Fights Cancer practice jerseys. These also age very well. King Chorngus also called these out as well, and they're also $30. We got Rangers, Golden Knights, another Avalanche, Seattle Kraken, 2 more Golden Knights. Absolutely insane to get a brand new hockey sweater for that price. Like hockey sweaters go for so much money, and that was a great late night cook. Going to assume this one is also jerseys. We're just gonna have to see. Probably gonna be different teams though. I got like 1s and 2s of different teams just to try them out. We've got the Hurricanes, Rangers. These ones are probably the sweetest in this colorway. These LA Kings, absolutely gas with the gold on the black. Another one of those. Yeah, I got a bunch of the Kings ones. Yeah, some of the teams they had a ton of stock of. Some of them they had like 1s and 2s, but they had almost every single team, which is absolutely crazy. I had to get a Blue Jacket sweater for myself. So 1 more box of jerseys. And these are more of those Hockey Fights Cancer. Just some different teams of those. We got some Devils on top, more Avalanche. The Blue Jackets one, that's sweet. Maybe I'm a little partial to that. Next, I already unboxed these, but I'll show them off because why not? It was a really good deal. First off, we've got these Amazon cleats that I called out in the group. These are New Balance. These were like $21. It was a price error in that size, and they're selling for $60. You can only order 3 per account, but we took those out of stock in about an hour. And then I also called these out as well, that there was actually a 30% off coupon on these in this women's size 8.5. This style always sells super well. I get a bunch of these from the Kohl's clearance event. Easy money. Next, I'm gonna start rattling through these boxes because I have no idea what's in these. Okay, we got more hockey jerseys. Another thing of hockey jerseys. This one that I already opened is not jerseys, and this was the next big find. When King Chorngus called that out, I also saw that they had some Ohio State stuff on sale. $4.99 for a bunch of Ohio State stuff. I called that out in Owner Cooks, called some hats out, and they had the locker room shirts for $5, guys. Absolutely insane. If you don't know much about sports, if you can get the locker room shirt in anything, like after someone's won a championship, Ohio State just won the national championship, these are the shirts they wore on the stage. These are the shirts they wore in the locker room. These things go for like $25 to $30 minimum. $5 each, and this whole box is full of them. This is going to be a different variation of Ohio State stuff, I'm assuming, because I don't think I got any more locker room shirts than that. If I did, I'll be very happy. So these are Ohio State National Championship hoodies, which I don't even have to look that up. For $5? Come on. And I got to keep one of those as well. This is the bad thing about selling in areas that you're interested in. When something has my size, I tend to keep it. But I'm going to make plenty of money because there is a ton of these in here. And then there's also about 5 black ones, a little different style. But for $5 again, I don't need to comp. I'm not going to find the exact... Ooh, look at the back of this one. It's got all the years. I'm not going to find the exact ones of these out there. But for $5, it's $5. You're going to easily be able to sell an Ohio State National Championship hoodie for $25, $30 minimum. Last box, then we get to the fun part of opening all the poly mailers, which is not going to be fun. Oh, we got a straggler jersey that came in a single box. All right, let's start ripping into the polys. There could be NHL stuff in here. There could be Ohio State stuff in here. I don't really know. They've been pretty unpredictable so far, the way they've shipped stuff. More Ohio State hoodies. I'm guessing this whole thing is full of those. Yep. These are actually Cotton Bowl hoodies. So we won the Cotton Bowl in the semifinal. And these were also $5 for a 47 brand Ohio State hoodie. And then this one, I think I can see through. I think it's more Ohio State stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, I did get more locker room shirts. Oh my goodness. It was late. It was like 1 a.m. I don't know how much I ordered. It was way early in the morning, so I guess I went crazy. Being my team, it also helps. We got another national championship hoodie. These are some massive polys that I'm going to reuse, which it looks like I've already opened this one as well. More hoodies. We got more black hoodies and a little bit of everything mixed in. I'm gonna lay this all out on the floor afterwards. I'm actually gonna make a short on sorting through everything and keeping it all together. So I'll probably put that up around the same time I put this full video up on YouTube. But that's when I'll inventory everything and make sure I got sent everything, because you always want to make sure to do that, especially in online arbitrage. Sometimes you order bigger quantities and you can get shorted because you just don't check. So I'll check my quantities, make sure I got everything I needed. All right, last few. And I am going to carefully unpack these because I'm going to reuse these. These are great polys. Always reuse anything you get in the mail. I'm going to reuse all these boxes. I'm going to reuse all these bags. It's free shipping stuff, so why not? Those have the nice thing to be able to reseal it as well, so that's really nice. We will definitely reuse those. Got another Cotton Bowl hoodie. Looks like 2 more Cotton Bowl hoodies. Another Cotton Bowl hoodie. And if I had to take a wild guess on these 2, I would say they are Cotton Bowl hoodies, but I could be completely wrong. I am completely wrong. We got these Ohio State beanies. That was a crazy find. These were $5 as well. And an Ohio State National Championship beanie, that's going to be an easy 20 bucks. And I think if I remember correctly, I ordered like 15 of those. So I'm going to guess these are more of those. And I'm going to hope that I have more coming, because looks like I got about 8 so far, and this looks like a single beanie. So that'll put us up to about half, unless they canceled some of the order. Again, I've got to go back and look at that, and that is not even a beanie after all that. That is another locker room shirt. So that is everything unboxed. That is absolutely insane. Again, go check out my short. Hopefully that's up by now, and that will have pretty much the next process of this, which is me sorting it all out on the floor and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in joining Bread and Butter Group, where all these leads came from, you can check that out. First link in the description for daily in-store and online leads. And we now have a 7-day free trial. So if you've just been waiting and weren't sure what we were about, you can get in there free of charge for 7 days. And if you don't like it, you can leave, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Let me know down below if you guys have any questions. Even in the dry season like right now, where it is harder to find deals, it is still always possible. And we are on the brink of the best time of year to buy stuff for Q4. Typically June, July, August, that summer season is when all of these retailers liquidate all of their inventory, trying to clear room for Q4. Get out that old inventory, get the new inventory in. That's where us resellers come into play. We come snatch up that old inventory, hold it till Q4, and then make a bunch of money. So that's what we're getting ready to do in Bread and Butter, is load up on that summer clearance inventory and then make some bands come Q4. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.